Hey, it's Jonathan here from the Catholic Woodworker. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our rosaries and what you can expect when you purchase a rosary from the Catholic Woodworker. The first thing is that each one of our rosaries comes in one of these beautiful gift pouches, and it's a great carrying case to carry and protect your rosary. Additionally, you'll get a care card. It talks about our limited lifetime warranty that we offer on all of our heirloom quality rosaries. It matters to us that you pray with a durable and beautiful rosary for a very, very long time, and so we take great care in providing quality rosaries. You can read all about our commitment and what you can do in order to care for your Catholic Woodworker product. Now I want to talk a little bit about design options. There are so many beautiful pieces that we offer, and sometimes that process of selecting the right rosary can be a little bit overwhelming. So I'm going to review 3 designs with you to help you in that design selection process. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here we have 3 completely different designs that cover a multitude of options that we wanted to walk through with you. So the first thing is knowing the difference between a pocket rosary, which has a crucifix and just one decade and an Our Father bead. And it comes with a clasp also. And then we have our full rosaries. I have all 5 decades, a centerpiece, and a crucifix. The other thing we wanted to highlight is that you have the option of adding a medal to your rosary in addition to the centerpiece. And each one of our rosaries gives you that option. For single decades, they would get added right here. And for full rosaries, they're going to get added right here above that third Hail Mary bead. Now, some of the other design options that you want to consider are the difference between natural wood and dyed wood. Dyed wood beads are usually pretty easy to identify because they have a color to them. So these are one of our favorite colors. We call it Marian Armor. This is a dark green color, and these are colored. So as the rosary ages, the color will fade a little bit over time. That's to be expected. Most of our customers really love that aged look. As the rosary gets well worn and used, the color fades a little bit over time. The other beads are natural wood beads. They do not age they will age, but the color will not change over time. So this is one of our favorites, Madre de Caco. This one right here is gray wood, and this is actually a new bead type, which is a dyed black wood. And I've been carrying this with me for 2 months, and it's held up really well, and we absolutely love it. Then the last decision is the metal type. So we have 3 variations. We have silver color, which is this right here. It has a color of silver, has a base metal with a silver coating on the top. Then we have our bronze color, same thing here, except for it's got a bronze color coating to it. And then these are our genuine bronze pieces. These are cast in the United States with exquisite detail, and the color is genuine bronze, and they come in white bronze or silicone bronze. We've done a lot of work in creating these beautiful heirloom prayer pieces, and we hope that this video will help you make your purchasing decisions here at the Catholic Woodworker. Thanks so much for watching.